your girl Bar TV, back with another video. Y'all, don't mind the hair. I curl my hair and I try to pin it up a little bit or whatever, so when I take it down, hopefully the curls is there. But anyways, today I'm doing a makeup look. I'm gonna try to go for rhinestones, add them on. I never added rhinestones, but I'm gonna try. But I actually was gonna do a pop out pink look, because y'all know I'll be doing my little colors of my eyeshadow. Well, y'all don't know because I haven't been on YouTube, but I'm gonna have to do like a neutral look because that's the only palette I have, unless I do or unless I can just do it with, you know what, I'm gonna just do it with glitter. I kind of didn't want to do it with glitter. I just wanted to do a simple pink or whatever, but what I'm gonna do. But anyways, make sure you continue to watch so y'all can see my update routine on how I do it. I pretty much got a different routine on how I do my things now, but same concept when I do different eye looks and things like that. It's just different eye colors or whatever. But at first I was using La Pro Girl, like my actual shade in this as my foundation, but then I stopped doing that because I don't know, I just want to try new things. Then I actually used my foundation I used from NARS. But when I first started using this was like in 2021. I think I got actually a little lighter. I don't know, I really feel like I got lighter. So now what I use is, I had got this concealer because I was supposed to get my shade for my actual concealer, but it's actually the shade that's my skin tone. So I use this basically as a foundation because I don't like it too harsh, and this fit my skin tone like a little better. So I just basically use this as foundation. So anyways, y'all, we about to get straight. Okay, so now first I always start by doing my eyebrows. Y'all, let me tell y'all, if you don't get your eyebrows done like in a couple weeks and you about to do your makeup, it kind of makes it difficult to try to do, because I'm used to always get my eyebrows waxed like every 2 weeks and then filling them in, because it'd be easier to do it because my eyebrows are naturally arched. So by it not being, you know, cleaned up, I kind of have to do it myself a little bit before I did it and then try to fill in my eyebrows, because if you don't, it's gonna look crazy and it's gonna be a little bit harder to do, especially if you kind of like beginner of makeup. But yeah, oh, and I use the Anastasia brow pencil. I don't like to do my eyebrows with the pomade because it gives it that little harsh look. I just like mine to kind of look natural and just very light.
Living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't.
Now I go in with my concealer from La Pro Girl in the shade Toffee.
Crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
But dolls, I'm definitely going to start to do more makeup content videos because I keep having everybody on my Instagram blow me up, telling me how much I do good with my makeup, to do videos. And I was actually thinking about going to a makeup class so I could learn a little bit more and maybe even start doing it on the side. I'm not really sure because my little girlies be gassing me up and I'm like, okay, I maybe can, I don't know. Still gotta, you know, get to exactly where I want to be, but yeah.
And three of me when it was you and me.
Okay, so I started blending underneath my brows. Make sure y'all blend till you can't blend no more, because some people like that look where it's like a lot of concealer underneath their brows. Me personally, it's a no for me. Like, I kind of like my stuff to look natural as possible. Like, I don't like the drastic looks and all of that extraness, but it depends which, like, how you like your stuff. So don't shoot the messenger. I'm just saying, that's just me personally.
Eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone. Love me now, love me now, love me now. Numb, 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 numb. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine, Novocaine. Oh, 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 pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Pity, pity. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Pity, pity. Oh, I can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel it. I can't feel it. No.
Okay, so now I go in with my eyeshadow. I'm starting off using a kind of like neutral little brown shade for like my base part. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I'm starting off using.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal.
Okay, so now I'm going in with my glitter eyeshadow. It's more like a rose gold color. Like a little soft little pink.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay, so remember I was telling you guys that I use concealer, but my actually skin tone as my foundation, quote unquote. That's pretty much what I'm doing right now.
I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-time baby girl, you know me.
Now I'm going back in with my La Pro Girl concealer in the shade Toffee to conceal underneath my eyes.
Time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me.
Alright, y'all, so when I'm blending my makeup, I be making little weird face expressions because I be trying to make sure I can make my face in a way where I can really blend underneath, so don't be looking too hard now.
Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it.
Now I'm going in and contouring my nose, which is my favorite part because I love a good contour nose.
I'm outside in it. I'm
Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on a model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. I'll never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back. You pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste?
Okay, so now I use my concealer to highlight certain parts of my face. Just use my face as a little map to see where I did it, because I don't know how this playing everywhere. Just I know my nose, my forehead, and like my cheeks.
Love me now when I'm gone. Love me now. Love me now. Love me now. Now. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine, Novocaine.
Going in with my center powder, pretty much the areas where I highlighted my face will conceal under my face. I ain't gonna lie, I was rushing, guys, because I had to hurry up, so my center powder did get a little messy, but that's neither here or there.
Pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Pity. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Pity. Oh, I can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing.
Blush, y'all. I love a good old blush on my face like that. I feel like that just made my makeup look pop.
Can't feel that. Novocaine for the pain, for the pain. Can't feel that. Feel that. Novocaine, can't. Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film.
Okay, so I go in with this pink glitter underneath my waterline of my eyes because it makes my makeup look pop even more.
Stripper booty with the rack like wow. I'll never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine.
I went in and added some rhinestones to this look because y'all know I'm creative and I love a little fun look.
All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me.
Okay, so guys, this concludes the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you know when I am posting. And remember that beauty is confidence. Till then, dog gang, we out this thing.